In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pixelate an image here in Canva. So I've actually already gone ahead and done this, and it looks like this. Now we can also pixelate just part of an image, which will then look like this. So on this one, the rest of the image looks good, but the head is actually pixelated. So let me go ahead and show you how to do both of these customized pixelated images. Now, first off, you're going to need your image. Then, once you have your image that you want to pixelate, we simply click on there, come up to the toolbar to where it says Edit, then we can come down to Apps just here. Now, if we click on See All, we're going to use this one just here called Pixelify. Now, if we click on there, it's going to take a second to load up, and we can check out the preview just here on how pixelated that's going to be. The higher up the bar, the less pixelated, as we can see, and the lower on the bar, the more pixelated. So you're going to want to find your happy medium. So if we go round about there and click Replace, now that's then gone ahead and pixelated this whole image. Now let's go back one, because let's say you want to pixel just part of the image. Now there's a little way that we have to do this, and that's by duplicating the image. So we want to click onto the image, then we can click on duplicate, then we want to make sure this is lined up perfectly with the same image underneath, because now what we're going to do is crop this. But as we can see, as we move this and crop, we can see it's lined up perfectly, but we're going to crop the head, because that's the only part which we're going to pixelate, just like that. And then we're going to do the same process. So it's come to Edit, we come down to the Apps, we click on Pixelify, we choose how pixelated we want this to be. Let's just do that a little bit to there. Then when we click Replace, it's just going to pixelify that part of the image just like that. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to pixelate an image here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.